lúc sợ thia
có một số cái sự là sự tổ bắt sẽ tạo cái sản phẩm
là hai chục nhá
cho nên nó sẽ là một phong trào
bây giờ mua là một cái tặng cái lon
nhớ sống trong xe tới trong địa trong thị trong công trong thủ cái trong sự linh sản thủแล้วเราจะประเด็นยัดตัวสิ่งยาอย่างนี้ตัวมิสเตอร์ฮองโรที่อัพพานิโกอีกูจะอัพพานิโกอกูจงเชียร์ว่าจะกูตัวพ่อมือพ่อไปเนาะตอน MC จะเป็นสังเกตสิ่งที่อยาก说
ส่วนจีนที่เราไม่เกี่ยวกับเป็นการจิ้มคนละชอบต่างหรือลูกจงยกไปที่นี่หนอในลูกเปย์พอคันนี้เราชอบต่อหัวเตะok vậy như hồi tiền là về cả chữ lâu như hồi tiền đi nói đến lúc về có cả đi lo sống cái đi lên trong tu thi ý ông yêu tận đây nó muốn lúc về của thì lên trở sành trong thọ ní bố thì sẽ tỏ lên trở sành trong thì
lại lại đi bỏ gì đó giờ nhớ hả vậy nó mình thiệt
Linda Hyung is a rising folk artist, and she has written, produced, and directed 4 of her very own music videos, many of which reach over 500,000 views, with her top hit song known as Nghĩa Hotten featuring Bông Nha. Prior to making her own music, she has had over 4 years of singing experience and competed in competitions statewide, placing top 3 in many competitions. She placed first place at the Stevens Point Clover Hmong New Year in 2017 and 2018. Second place at Oshkosh Hmong New Year in 2018, Hmong National Memorial Day Festival in 2019, Hmong National Labor Day Festival in 2019, and Wasa Hmong New Year in 2019. And third place at the Madison Hmong New Year in 2019 and Wasa Hmong New Year in 2017. Singing has been a passion of hers, and she hopes to inspire younger generations.
Thọ chờ với tự sư lô giúp bỏ sông ở sầu là được phải chờ
tí tiếng go
He was born in Thailand and came to the United States in 1987 to Merced, California. He is currently residing in Collinsville, Oklahoma, where he started his music career. He began writing his own music in 2008 and decided to drop his first single collaboration with Light of Days album with a song called Uchipo Yo Olivia. Since then, he's written music for himself and doing collaborations with other artists. In 2011, he was part of a group called Oklahoma Collaboration, and together they have written and produced the song I have competed in 2 singing competitions. One was at church for fundraising where he placed first, and the second was at Oklahoma He is still writing music and dropping albums here and there. Topic 选择了英雄级，准备读书的名字好像。
Thank you so much for being on the
Thay luôn rồi. Mình cả thay luôn rồi. Mình cả luôn luôn đắt rồi.
Chinese Song is a folk artist from St. Paul, Minnesota. Chinese has been singing ever since the age of 11 and 12 years old. His first song he ever wrote and released was hmoob. Chinese hit song is hmoob. He is a well-known artist in the Hmong community.
Cái này là dâu nè. Con chua mong. Mong sẽ bị gì? Đơn tôi thử cái con.
Chưa rồi.
Cái cũng nào không? Có chín nào không? Yo, spa. Ừ. Nhớ rồi mà. Ở chả, để lòng lại. Có xin truy lì lại.
야, 내가 나야.
네, lại.
들어와, 까야 돼. 까줘, 어때?
Uống chỉ sao?
지가 또.
Đấy chỉ. Cái chỉ to nó mà to hết chân một nếp đi.
또, 우리가 있지. 내일은 산책 가봐.
Đó này. Uống đi à? Đâu chưa? Đấy như một kỳ hoa. Yeah. Nó nhớ từ hồi nắn lo rồi. Cho hồi nắn lo. Nhớ rồi, nhưng hồi nắn lo đó là. Lâu rồi chú đừng nói thiệt hồi nắn lo. Không được, đó là. Xin chưa? Vô những cái điểm rồi. Cái sự tình nó là chuyện to á. Đây thì các bạn chơi đó. Nâng chế bùa
Amen.